The pipeline of UK graduates is very important to us at GE Appliances. We have 221 employees who've gone to UK. It not only is a job that's created, it's a job that means more to our community in that for every job that we have, there are additional suppliers and other people in the state of Kentucky that support us at GE Appliance Park.
So we're here in AP3. This is our dishwasher super site, global headquarters for dishwasher. And you can see all the assembly lines behind us. We've invested hundreds of millions of dollars over the last few years to really upgrade the facilities and make sure we have the best product coming out of this factory. I would say our collaboration between UK and GE Appliances is stronger than ever. It's a phenomenal partnership of us getting brand new, fresh ideas and a fresh set of eyes, which has been awesome for us, and us being able to invest in those students and making sure they're continuing to learn and develop.
My mom worked in HR here, so I got exposure to GE through her, and that kind of sparked my interest in engineering. And then I found myself at UK, where I got to go to several different career fairs, and that kind of got me interested in continuing to pursue my education, but also trying to further my career at the same time. So the Edison was kind of the perfect combination of those two things. And what the Edison program is it's a rotational development program. So while you're working to get your master's, you're kind of put into six-month rotations. So that gives you good exposure to a lot of different areas in engineering all around the park, different fields, whether it be quality, advanced development, product design, things like that. And I found that really helpful because graduating from UK, I had a lot of engineering fundamentals that I knew about and had good experience from my co-ops, but it was tough to determine what area of engineering I really wanted to go into and I felt passionate about. So the Edison program has given me a good opportunity to test out those different fields, figure out what technical areas I excel in, what I maybe still need work on, and what my own personal preferences are.
I'm proud to be a UK alum because I know the value of the education that UK provides. I think all those variety of choices that I made along the way were super important for me to be able to have a leadership role that requires you to know something about most of the functions. I also am proud to be an alum because I know that UK graduates give back to the community, and we all take very seriously the development of our community, the development of our state, and want to see our state do great things, right? And that leads into what do I see for the future of Kentucky. It's very exciting to me to see all the investments that are being made in Kentucky right now. And I just see a great future for Kentucky. There are so many things that are going on in Kentucky right now that it has a bright future in front of us.